phone, so the quality may be different here. But today is December the 7th, I think. I don't know what day it is, y'all, but I'll put it down here. But I'm 38 weeks and 6 days, so tomorrow I will be 39 weeks. So the baby is coming any day now. I'm praying that I have this baby this weekend because my birthday is the 17th and I do not want to be in the hospital on my birthday. But I wanted to jump up here because we did something a little different this time. We didn't put any clothes on our baby registry. For one, we don't know what we're having. We're team green, so we're gonna find out when we deliver the baby. And then also, me and Marcus, we're not like, we don't like the animal prints on the clothing. We different, y'all. We so different. So I've been thrifting all of baby Rountree's clothes, and I love this thrift store that I'm about to go in, and something told me to just pick up my camera and show you guys around. So the thrift store is called Kids to Kids. My doctor's appointment is my doctor office is like right down the street, and then I just finished my acupuncture to help me induce my labor naturally. It was awesome. That's probably why I'm looking tired. But I'm about to go in here, and we always find like sleepers for like $1.99. You know, like, I'm not a believer of spending a lot of money on newborn clothes. So I started thrifting here when we found out I was pregnant, and it's near a lot of things. Like my doctor's office is right down the street, and then, you know, everywhere else is right down the street. So I really love that. So I'm gonna go in here. It's in a really nice neighborhood. We always find things, and so I'm just looking for like sleepers for baby Rountree to start off with. I pretty much have a lot of sleepers, but I just don't know. I'm gonna grab a couple. Something is telling me to grab a couple, and I'm gonna take you guys along the way. So let's go. That is the Kids to Kids sign here, and we're about to walk in. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit too. Because I don't think I've shown y'all any of the outfits that I bought for a baby Rountree, because we go to this Kids to Kids consignment shop. Yeah, it's kind of like Once Upon a Child. Marcus, we gotta go to Once Upon a Child. We never been there before. But we go to this location quite often. So whenever we go to the doctor's office,
check out
we stop.
Just got a haircut, y'all.
We stop and we try to get baby Rountree like onesies, you know, because we don't know what baby Rountree is gonna be. So we want to shop neutral right now. So we just pick up anything, and I feel like you can style anything for like a boy or girl, you know. So we got this cute Pumbaa. It's green.
It's Puma.
I said Puma.
You said Pumbaa, like Lion King.
No, I didn't. Puma.
There we go.
Yes, that's what I said.
In the comments, let me know what she said.
This is 3 to 6. I thought this was so cute, y'all. Little jacket. So I got this, and this was $5.99. Now normally this would be a little expensive for me, but we decided to.
But imagine buying that new would be
get it.
Probably $15, $20.
Yeah. So we decided to get it. And I'm about to wash these clothes. And so I got a bunch of onesies. These are all that I'm gonna shop for right now. Like 0 to 3. This was only $150. And then I have this one. It says, well done, mom and dad, I'm awesome. And this was also $150. And then I got this adventure with me, also $150. And then this one. Let me tear off all of these tags.
But that place is really nice, y'all. It's in South Park. Nice neighborhood, money over there. And they all shopping at that place. All the folks with money, they shopping at the Kids and Kids place.
We have this one. It's like a gray color. It says eat, play, sleep, repeat. Oh God, this was $4.99. Oh boy, I would have not, if I knew this was $4.99, I would not have purchased this. Oh no, my limit is like what's my limit? $3. This is too expensive. And then we got this cute velvet, it's like blue, for $4.99. It's like Cat and Jack. It's blue. I'm about to wash some of Baby Rountree's clothes. And then y'all, look at the black Santa. Like,
Let's go.
It's a newborn. It says my first Christmas, because Baby Rountree will be here before Christmas. So y'all, Baby Rountree, this is your black Santa outfit. Maybe we can wear like pajamas. Maybe Baby Rountree can wear these.
We can do a situation on the stairs there. That's a common.
So I wanted to show y'all that you can definitely shop on budget for kids. Kids grow out of stuff so fast. You hardly see my kid in name brand, because
they're gonna keep growing.
Look
at that baby. We 35 weeks today. 35. Now just left the barber, y'all. Check out my wave spinning, bro.
That's the reason why you came over here. Just say, I want to show y'all my fresh
haircut. He got me like the Steve Harvey, boy.
Goodbye. All right, we about to go out. So I went to that Kids and Kids, and the one that was near my doctor's office, and they didn't have anything. So fast forward to today. Today's Friday, and we went to another one right down the street, and we actually racked up. So we got a bunch of, I noticed when I was packing our bedside cart, I don't have a lot of newborn clothes. Just because people say, you know, don't shop for newborn, they're not in newborns for a long time. But I'm thinking I'm gonna need some newborn clothes, and so I'm like, let me just, because I have a bunch of 0 to 3. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead. This is my exercise ball. So I was like, let me just go ahead and get some newborn zippers, like sleepers, pretty much, because the baby gonna be sleeping. Look, they sleep right now, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. All of this came out to be $36. $36. So let's do it. And I'm about to wash these, so that's why I'm showing you guys. We did get 2 books. Well, we got 3 books actually. I Hear a Pickle. This is a book that is in English and Spanish. I thought this was super cute. This was $1.99. And I love pickles, and I was like, oh, this is so cute. So I decided to get this. And then Baby's First Bible Lookbook. These are like stories in the Bible. And then they come with like songs. So I thought this was really cute. And then the little blue truck. Y'all, this is a really, oh, this one was $1.99. And then the little blue truck, this one was $1.99 too. So those are the books. Now, I don't know if you know, but we do not know the sex of Baby Rountree. So we've been buying like gender neutral things. Marcus thinks it's a boy. I don't know what it is. It could be a girl or a boy.
But look, these outfits, I'm gonna make them work, okay? I'm gonna make them work. Even if they do look a little boyish, and if Baby Roundtree decides to come out and be a girl, listen, she gonna be wearing these outfits, and I'm gonna put a little blue bow on them. Y'all gonna see that. So, this was H&M onesie for, this had a mark on it, so this was like 25% off, so it was $3.99. So, you know, take 25% off of that. And I'm about to wash these, so I'm taking the tax off as I go. Then I got this cute little onesie, y'all. For this one also had 25% off. It's an orange tag. And then I have this onesie here. This was $2.99 with 25% off, like $2.99, $3 for one. This is what I'm talking about. Like, we don't like a whole bunch of like animal print on our clothes, but I told Marcus, like, it's okay. Like, it'll be okay. The baby's gonna be in the house with us, you know, and so we know the sex and what we can buy. Like, we're just gonna have to make it work. This was $2.99. It says, I love you. And it has like the little hands that they can put in, and the foot. So really, I really wanted to buy a lot of sleepers that can be zipped, because ain't nobody got time to be flipping and doing all of that in the middle of the night. So I just kind of, this is blue, so this is $2.99 with 50% off. Blue was 50% off. And it has, Marcus wasn't really feeling this because it had teddy bears right here. But listen, Baby Roundtree is going to get in where they fit in, okay? This is another one, $3.99. And it has the arms. And that one was 25% off. Now this one I thought was like kind of boyish a little bit. But listen, I can slap a hair bow on. I mean, I'm not going to slap it on my baby, but listen, I'm going to put, I am going to make it work. Y'all gonna see what I'm saying. I come back for an update to let y'all know how it turned out. This is $2.99. This is green. So pretty much most of these onesies were $2.99. Yeah, so they were $2.99. And how many onesies do we have so far? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it has like an orange. This was green. So let's count how many sleepers that I got. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 2, 13 sleepers and 3 books for $36. Y'all, you cannot beat that. You really cannot beat that. So I'm
completely content on how we did this. Love it. Would not change it for the world. Yeah, so I'm about to wash these clothes. I probably sanitize these books, and then I probably will take a nap. Today we are going to see the Renaissance movie, or I don't know what it's called. So I want to be well rested because I don't want to be sleeping the Beyonce concert. Marcus is going with me, so yeah, y'all. And so this little cart, this is another thing, like I have two carts. Marcus has a cart on his end. Do y'all want to see it? Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. It's probably gonna be in another video too, but this bar, so this was my bar cart that was in my office. It had like my wines and all of that in there. But you know, again, I'm not about to buy additional things when I can repurpose the things that I do have, right? So I took this bar stool, well, this bar cart, and I turned it into like a baby station. So I have a refrigerator. I'm still setting up things. So on the bottom part, we're gonna have like snacks, drinks, and then on the top part we have wipes. I've been making my labels, y'all, so I can put it throughout the house. But yeah, so we have some lotion, diaper rashes, wipes, diapers. I still have to fill it up. We have a book here that we're gonna start reading, and then we're gonna put like snacks. I have a diaper warmer, and then we have diapers and diaper wipes. This is like my breast milk pump station. Have like pads, breast pump, and then these are like swaddle blankets, newborn sleepers, burping cloths, and yeah. So this is on Marcus' side. Enjoy this video of me shopping for baby Roundtree clothes, thrifting style. Come back for some more. All right, peace.